Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Guys, happy Sunday to you all and happy Christmas in advance. It has been a long time that you guys have not seen me. I know you guys have been hearing me off camera, and today I decided to stop by and I say hello to you all. Today we'll be talking about gift, and especially teachers' gift. But before further ado, I just want to say thank you for all my subscribers, those that have subscribed. Those for the new subscribers, I want to say thank you for always stopping by, for commenting, liking my videos. So today we'll be talking about gift, as I earlier said, and especially teachers' gift. As I said earlier in this video, I'll be saying or talking about most things that I have gone through. And I believe that there are some people under the sound of my voice that has been going through the same thing and they don't know what to do. So give is a very important thing in my life. I like to give, and especially in moments like this, I like to always celebrate my kids' teachers as well, knowing fully well that I am what I am today because of teachers. Because guys, I put teachers one of the groups where my money goes in a lot is my kid teachers. Every year I don't really know exactly how much I spend for teachers, but to be frank, I spent for my kid teachers because I just used to say I know what they have gone through when I was a student, and I know what they go through, and putting into consideration that I send my child out to school every day, I am not there. So I just need to say thank you to them to an extent. And I pray that any one of you to do the same or do same. Or if you have not been doing that, please, I encourage you to do it, and you'll see the blessings behind it. So back to my experience as concerns giving. When I newly came to this country and my son started school, and I want to give the teachers gift, I didn't know what type of gift to give them. I was like, what type of gift? At the beginning, I really wanted to give them gift, but I did not know what. Because I was talking to myself, will they appreciate it? Would they like it? So, and before you, I'll go and give some type of very expensive gift. Not that I really had, but just because I want to give, I will go and give them an expensive gift. Everyone, I just want to let you know that giving somebody gift is not how expensive that gift is. It's just a token to say thank you. You can and you cannot spend money. So please get your popcorn, get your juice. Sit down and listen to what I'm going to tell you. If you have not made your gift, immediately you watch this video. Tomorrow is Monday. Please go and get your gift for your children's teacher, for your cousin's teacher, for your aunt's teacher, for your friend kids teacher. Is very important. And do not wait the last day. So when I was one of the things I learned is that do not give teachers gift on the last day. Reason being that it might not be well appreciated and they might misplace them. A school, they have presentations to make. Maybe the day before the day they are closing, they might be having a program in school that maybe because of carelessness they might misplace it. So to the worst is even the closing day. So guys, contemplating to give them gifts, do not wait on the last day. Okay, I advise you all, try this method. Give them earlier. Tomorrow is Monday. If you can get it now, fine. Today is Sunday. You cannot get it today, get it tomorrow and give it to them on Tuesday. That is better because at least they have some days ahead and they will appreciate it. So my list of today for teachers' gifts, some are buyable, some are not buyable. And we have to put in mind for all what I'm going to give you just my experience, because I've given them so many gifts before I came across this one that when you give it to them, they appreciate you and they really like it. So put it in mind again that everybody is different, okay? It doesn't mean that what I say is really what you must give to the teacher, but if you find it interesting, why not? Try it. It's never bad to always try. So one of the gifts that I have gifted to my son's teacher in the past years was presentation clicker. Teachers, they do a lot of presentation, maybe during school year, at the end of the school year. With that presentation clicker, they might put their presentation materials into that clicker and they'll use it. They cannot do without it. And it's not even expensive, guys. You can get that of $13. Okay, it is not a sponsored video. So guys, you can get it from Amazon, maybe Walmart and all the rest. That is where I usually buy some of them. Give them, you will see what they will do. They will be very happy. Another one that I've given them to the past year is remote control outlet. There is this remote control that when you put it in the house, immediately you enter the house, you just need to press the telecommand, the control, and all the lights all will turn on. Try that and give it to them. You will see how they will appreciate it and they will like it. It's very good. And then another one is, most of them like handcrafting. They like to teach their students how to handcraft. Another thing that I give them in the past years is cordless hot glue gun. It's just like in a gum shape. This one, okay, you can get it from Amazon, very nice. And I gave them, they really love it, so you can also try it too as well. Another one that I give it to them is a special pen that has an eraser. You can check it from the Amazon, $13-14. It varies. Give it to them and you will see how they will appreciate it. So I gave it one time to my son's teacher and she really appreciates it. Another one is a sharpener, hand-free. There's a sharpener that I bought for them this year. Let me show you an example. It's not advertisement, it's not paid video. It's just for you guys to try it and see there. It's hands-free. You just put the pencil here, the mouth, and then it will be sharpening itself. You don't need to put your hand there and sharpen. Give it to them. You'll see how they will appreciate it. It's very good, guys. I even have one here for my son that I use for him as well. Another one of the gifts that most of them always really love, most appreciated, never denied by anyone, is gift card. They like gift cards. If you don't really know what to give to any of those teachers for their hard work, for God using them to teach your kids, give them gift cards. You can have that of McDonald's, any gift cards, Amazon, anything. They will appreciate it because they will be able, if you don't want to give gift card that they can buy food, give them gift card that they can buy what they want from maybe Amazon and any other one. And then the last one I have in my list is a rating card. Most teachers, this one does not even need money. You'll get your paper, and maybe if your child is still small, you write what you want the child to write on that paper. So smart kids, they already know what to write for their teachers. Just give it to them. They will write it with their handwriting and they will give it to their teachers. They will give it to them and their teachers will love it so very much. Guys, if you have been watching up to this time, please go ahead and subscribe. Comment in the comment section. And I urge all the small YouTubers, all small content creators to make in the comment section. Put your handle and let's encourage everyone. Then there is another one that I almost forgot. They also at least put something to eat. Most of these teachers are hot choco mix. It's like coffee, but not really like coffee. It's not expensive. Get them from the store if you don't know what to give them. Amongst all what I've told you, there were so many. Let me just read it all. Let me do a recap again of it for all what I have mentioned here. We have the gift card, we have the sharpener, we have the special pen with erasers, we have the gift card, we have handwritten card, we also have the remote control presentation clicker, the hot cocoa mix. I've tried all this to my child's teacher and they love it, and I believe that if you also try it with your own children's teacher, they will like it. In the list I gave you, so if you don't have money, you have something among the list. If you have a little bit of money, you can still have something. Let's remember our children's teacher in times like this. Let's encourage them for what they do. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you next time in my next video. Watch the other videos that I have created and you will not regret it. Thank you so much and have a blessed Sunday. Bye bye.